How to use Uber app. First things first is access your Uber application that you got from Play Store or from iStore. And from here, all I have to do is to create an account first. Now, I already created an account, but if you just recently started, then you can go ahead and choose whether to use your mobile number or connect it over to your Google Mail. Now, if you will choose on your mobile number, you will have or you will get a verification code that will be sent out to you. You just have to input that from Uber app. Now, once you are successfully registered and logged in, from here, this will be your dashboard. Now, you can also check over with services. You can go with trip. Now, from here, you'll have to pay attention because you'll need to be accurate on entering your current address on which specific address you would like to be picked up. You can also do a scheduled pickup. You can change between these times or dates for you to execute a scheduled booking. Now, after that, after you place a booking, you will then be routed to a payment method in which how you would like to pay. Is it going to be through cash or through an e-wallet or maybe through your bank? You can also check on the current activities while you have placed that order or a scheduled booking, and you can hover around your account right here. You can check the previous activities and current activities that you have done with this app, the payments that you have also done with this app. And if you would also like to coordinate with the customer support, then you just simply press on help. So those are the basics on how to use the Uber app.